The third practical implication of the belief system of Islam is that all of your efforts are counted for. None of your efforts go unseen based on this belief system. See, in this world, people don't care about what your intentions were. People don't care how much effort you put into things. It's not what they care about. What matters are results. If you can get results, wonderful. If you can't get results, well, you had good intentions. That's good for you. We don't care about that. But in the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in the hisab that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does, everything counts, even when there's no one else to see you. Even when there's no one there to count the good deed for you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is writing it. When those times come, and we will all come across moments like this in our life, especially in our family life, especially with our spouse and our children and our parents. When those moments come where you have to compromise and no one is there necessarily to see or understand what type of compromise you're making, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is seeing it. But only if you have this belief system though. If you don't have this belief system, is there anyone to see it? No, no one cares. That one time where you wanted to say something, but you bit your tongue. And you didn't say what you were going to say. You didn't say that disrespectful thing to your loved one. Do other people see this and value this? No. But does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see this? Yes. He is the one who sees all of this. None of your efforts are in vain. None of the times that you compromise, none of the times that you might feel like you're right, but because it's a minor issue, you give your spouse the feeling that they are right. None of those times go unnoticed from the perspective of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that's why Luqman, when he is speaking to his son, he says, Ya bunay, innaha in taku mithqala habbatin min khardalin. If it's the smallest of the good deeds, fatakun fi sakhratin aw fi samawati aw fil ard. If it's in the heavens, the earth, beneath a rock, ya'ti bihallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bring it for you. None of your efforts go unnoticed. He's watching everything.